good clean bedrooms and communal facilities and good showers. Staff are helpful and friendly, especially on reception. Wi-Fi okay, but could be upgraded to be faster and more available in the back of the building. Weak signal. Reasonable food and snacks. Breakfast's good but getting pricey.
Construction noise at the moment. They are building at the back and quite a bit of daytime noise. Quiet at night time, but the builders start early. Coffee/refreshment drinks too pricey. It /is a hostel and they should charge £1 per coffee rather than £2 to
The
£3.
faculties were renovated and clean. Staff was friendly and helpful. Beds have full curtains around, which is nice.
Hostel messed up my reservation and only had a bed for me in a larger dorm than the one I had reserved. They did compensate for this by offering free breakfast, however. Some staff surly. Some staff speak poor English, which I would not mind in most parts of the world, but this
I
is
booked a
London.
room to sleep, but that was the last thing I could do. Unfortunately, a group of around 45 Spanish kids with around 12 years old stayed in the same corridor and the whole night was hell. Only fell asleep at 2 a.m. and woke up at 4:30 a.m. with the
A
same
side table
noise.
put on the wall for the upper bunk beds would be nice. We do not have a place to put stuff like cell phone or bottle of water. And the plugs are always near the ground. We must have 4 meters of cables to be able to charge stuff and have it on the bed, like the cell.